Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the Punjab government has proposed an amendment to Criminal Procedure Code that would allow the extension of Section 144 for 90 days. This amendment is known as Code of Criminal Procedure Punjab Amendment Act 2024 was presented in Punjab Assembly by Finance Minister Shujaur Rahman. Key considerations: current legal framework under the existing law, Section 144 can be imposed for maximum 2 days, extendable to 7 days unless there is a threat to human life. The proposed amendment would empower the Deputy Commissioner to enforce a ban on public gathering up to 30 days, and the Secretary of the Home Department could extend the ban up to 90 days. Constitutional right. The extension of Section 144 raises significant concern regarding a constitutional right, particularly to the right of freedom of the assembly and the expression as granted under Article 16 and the 19 of the Constitution of Pakistan. The balance between maintaining the public order and protecting individuals' freedom is a delicate one. Judicial oversight. The proposed amendment has been criticized for potentially gathering unchecked authority to the administrative officials, which could lead to the abuse of power. Judicial oversight is essential to ensure such measures are not misused and that they comply with the constitutional safeguard, public interest and safety. The government argues that extension is necessary to address grave and emergent situations that threaten public peace and order. The amendment aims to provide a preemptive jurisdiction and a speedy remedy in the public interest. In conclusion, the proposed extension of Section 144 by the Punjab government highlights the ongoing tension between the public safety and the constitutional right. While the government argues that the extension is necessary to maintain public order, it raises important questions about the potential abuse of the power and the need for judicial oversight. As this amendment is debatable, it will be crucial to ensure that any measures are taken in the line of constitutional protection and the honest public interest.